The Communicable Diseases Agency, or CDA, is urging travellers to invest in vaccines and medication this holiday season. This is to avoid getting preventable diseases like malaria and typhoid. CDA says last year, 5 Singapore residents got malaria and 14 had typhoid, all likely linked to overseas travel. Nadine Yeam reports.
Travellers typically bring back photos, memories and experiences to share from their holidays. But some also bring back illnesses like diarrhea, influenza and the common cold. According to the Communicable Diseases Agency, or CDA, this need not be the case. These diseases can typically be prevented, and CDA is asking people to add vaccination to their to-do list ahead of their flights.
When you're in a crowded airport and you've got travellers coming from many different continents, it's easy to get exposed. So even if you're going to a warm place, like the Southern Hemisphere without winter, it's summertime there, you can still get exposed when you're travelling in airports. So it's a good idea to get some of these vaccines that protect against respiratory viruses.
Beyond such viruses, holidaymakers can get protection against diseases like malaria, which is mosquito-borne and potentially life-threatening. This is especially if they are going to certain parts of Asia, Africa and South America. There are also vaccines against typhoid, which spreads mainly through contaminated food or water. It's most common in South and Southeast Asia.
The other things that you would want to be careful of would be making sure that a lot of people like to go on safari, and if you're traveling to certain countries in Africa or South America, that yellow fever vaccination is required. So we tell people, don't be caught out. Please check the list of countries with yellow fever requirements and get vaccinated before you go, so you don't end up in quarantine when you come home.
It's not just far-flung places. She says vaccines are needed even for visiting neighbouring countries. People should also prepare for sickness during their trips.
Travellers are advised to pack a small medical kit like this when they're out and about for their journeys. Items to pack in your kit are simple. You can find them anywhere in Singapore, like your thermometers and your antiseptic creams.
To help Singapore residents make the most of their time abroad, CDA is also working on updating its website with safety practices, destination country health situations and entry requirements.